I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. Now, let me give you a thigh and booty move of the day. Give me 20 of these. And also, too, look, if you're looking to lose 25 to 30 pounds in the next 30 days, make sure you get my super stomach shredder membership, because I'm going to help you break necks, drop jaws, and most importantly, shut down rooms. Go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. Go get the membership right now. And shoot, we're going to do this thing together. I train superstars, and I'm going to help you look like one, too. Enjoy the move. This move is awesome for your thighs and for your booty. So you're gonna do a single leg squat, right? So you'll be here, so you're gonna get me 20, okay? Your foot is back here, boom, get that thing lined up perfectly. So what you're gonna do, boom, drop your hands like this, boom. And all you're gonna do is drive through that front heel, boom. Maintaining balance, look 3 feet in front of you. That's gonna help you maintain your balance and help you from breaking your neck. So get me 20 on your right side, 20 on your left side. Again, drive through your heels, because that's gonna activate that booty. It's gonna make that thing sit up high, and that's what we want, right? So get me 20 on your right side, 20 on your left side, and let's get it. Again, get that super stomach shredder membership. If you're trying to lose 25 pounds in the next 30 days, trying to go pootless, want the high round thing sitting on the back of you, and all that other good stuff. Again, I train bodies that will attract, so you'll never have to chase. So let's get it. Now, let me give you some life homework. Can I give you some life homework? Life homework. You know, I train the sexiest women on the planet, no matter if it's Hollywood or your neighborhood. So this is specifically for those who are trying to find somebody, or those who are just trying to keep somebody. Here's the thing. Always continue to level up. Your look, continue to level up. Your game, continue to level up. Your life. Do not get satisfied. Do not get complacent, because the moment you get complacent is the moment you start losing. And it comes in the form of having a mommy body. It comes in the form of just standing still and feeling like you're not going anywhere. You have the same hairdo. You dress the same way. You hadn't changed in years. Look, you gotta spice that thing up. You gotta change your look. You gotta change your life, and know that every year should get better. You should expect to look better every year. Your 30s, 40s, and 50s should look better than your 20s. So continue to evolve your look. Continue to evolve your life. Continue to just improve, because that's what life is all about. Getting better year by year, day by day, because that's how it's supposed to be. So again, don't get complacent. Improve your look and improve your swag, because again, when you level up your look, you level up the people that holler at you, and you just level up everything. And that's how it's supposed to be. Every year, better, better, better. So that's what's up. So that's your life homework. I love each and every single last one of you. Again, let's level up, baby. Spring is coming. Summer is coming. And shoot, you should be able to just have anybody you want to, because you look the way you look. A lot of people have given up on their look. A lot of people have given up on life, and it's kind of like they're in cruise control, but not you, because you're a pop star, a P.O.P., a person on purpose. And again, you're the best of the best, the finest of the fine. So shoot, let's improve upon perfection. How about that? So let's get it. Love y'all.